All right, so by default, every Android tablet will rotate the screen when you simply physically rotate the tablet. But there is a setting that can lock the orientation, which will cause the tablet to not rotate the screen. You can check this in the quick settings. Swipe down from the top right corner, and if you see only a few buttons with some notifications, swipe down twice to reveal the full panel. Every tablet looks slightly different, but among the buttons here, you'll usually see something called Auto Rotate. When I tap that button, my tablet locks the current screen orientation, which in my case is set to the landscape mode right now. Now, when I turn the tablet, my screen does not rotate because it's locked to the landscape orientation. Pretty simple. If for some reason you don't see the button in your quick settings, you might need to add it. Swipe down to reveal the quick settings, and then tap the pencil icon to edit your settings. Again, each tablet will look different, but there's usually a way to add more buttons to your quick settings panel. Look for the Auto Rotate button in the Available Buttons section, and tap it to add it in. It's also worth noting that while most apps on your tablet will rotate just fine, there are some apps that are designed to be used in one orientation only, and they might not rotate when you turn the tablet. I'd say these type of apps are rare, but if you run into an app that refuses to rotate no matter what, it might be just the way the app was made. One more pro tip. If you go to the quick settings and long press the Auto Rotate button, some tablets will have a toggle that says Show Rotate button at bottom of screen. This is a feature that allows you to quickly bypass the orientation lock with a tap of a button, and it's designed specifically for the times when you have auto rotation turned off. Now my orientation is locked. I turn the tablet, and nothing rotates, but a tiny button appears in the bottom right corner, and I can tap that button to bypass my orientation lock and allow this app to rotate. The button is really small. It only appears when I rotate the tablet, and it disappears after a few seconds if you don't tap it. But keep your eyes on the bottom right corner, and you'll see the button, and tapping it will allow the screen to rotate. It's a nice little feature for those who like to keep the orientation locked most of the time, but every once in a while, allow the screen to rotate without having to open the quick settings. Anyways, that's how you rotate the screen on your Android tablet. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick, easy, and simple guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.